Biological pesticide from garlic, chili, ginger, shallots. A safe solution for homegrown organic vegetables. As more people focus on health and clean eating, making your own biological pesticide is a great way to protect your vegetable garden safely and effectively. One of the most powerful and popular formulas is the mixture of garlic, chili, ginger, shallots soaked in alcohol. Although it comes from traditional methods, many experienced gardeners still trust it due to its efficiency and eco-friendly nature. Number 1. Ingredients. Garlic, 200 grams. Fresh chili, the hotter the better, 200 grams. Ginger, 200 grams. Shallots, 200 grams. Rice alcohol, white liquor, 40% or higher. 1 litre, glass jar with tight lid. These ingredients contain natural antibacterial, antifungal, and insect-repelling compounds, making them safe for both plants and humans. Number 2. How to make the biological pesticide. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Wash garlic, chili, ginger, and shallots thoroughly. Keep the garlic and shallot skins to preserve more active allicin. Chop and blend all ingredients into a fine paste. Step 2. Soak in alcohol. Put the blended mixture into a glass jar. Pour alcohol in until fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and keep it in a cool, shaded place. Step 3. Fermentation extraction time. Let it sit for at least 10 to 15 days, ideally 30 days. After that, strain the liquid and store it for use. You will get a strong, spicy-smelling solution, your natural weapon against garden pests. Number 3. Leafy biodegradable and non-toxic compared to chemical pesticides. 4. How to use it properly. Dilution use 20%. How to spray the leaf. Usually hide. Repeat 2-3 times per week for plants with active infestations. Spray once a week for prevention. Notes: avoid spraying under strong midday sunlight. Do not use undiluted solution. Can burn. Leaves: shake well before mixing. 5. Outstanding advantages. Easy to make. Inexpensive ingredients. Highly effective for home gardens. Doesn't cause leaf burn or wilting. Strong natural scent discourages pests. Supports beneficial microorganisms on plant surfaces.